Mrs. Connie-Ann Talanya Magnaye Yementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Connie-Ann Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. I am married person. My marriage is calm and then happy and then behave. Not behave. Ang tawag dun? Nasa mabuting sitwasyon, marriage. In English, on good situation. No, on good situation. And then the type of marriage that I have is at classroom. And then during that at classroom, me and my boyfriend, husband, lover, Alex Angentisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First, did handwritten signature about inchik written on bond paper. The name that Alex Jr. could put in there is Manuel Quezon the First. And then what else it is? Alex Jr. could did put ring on my ring finger. That is during year 2009, year 2008, year 2008. No, it is year 2009. The first year high school is year 2008 to 2009. Year 2008 June, then to year 2009 April. So what I could just say is I am married to Alex Jr. ko with an evidence of white color of paper, which is Gothic style, and then what is being put in there is marriage certificate with a stamp of Office of the Philippines, year 1851, and then on the middle of it is Republic of the Philippines. On the outer, it is Office of the Philippines, and then the inside is Republic of the Philippines. And then what is written on that is Manuel Quezon the First, Manuel Corazon Quezon the First. And then the second marriage certificate that Alex Jr. shows to me is National Statistic Authority, which is color yellow. In there is written my name, Connie-Ann Talanya Magnaye, as well as on the off-white, it is Connie-Ann Talanya Magnaye. And then what is written on that is the name of Alex Jr. ko, Alex Ang Jementisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First. That is what is written on indoor. Specific, there is the word also named as Manuel Quezon the First. And then the name of the mother of Alex Jr. co-indoor is Natalia. Natalia. What is the middle name? I not know. And then the surname is Corazon. Natalia, I not know the middle, and then Corazon. At the moment, what I could observe is myself is repetitive and redundant. And then I not want to talk at the moment. So that is, now I myself will talk. Now that is the second marriage certificate that Alex Junico shows to myself. And then there is another marriage certificate that is being shows of Alex Junico of such as title of marriage of wherein there is my name in there, Konian Talanya Magnaye, which is the title name that I have in there is I not want to say it, I want to behave. Should I say it? I will say it. I'm not crazy. The title name of it in there being put is Lady. So there is for what I am saying is those being shows of Alex Jr. ko to myself. I am Connie Ann. Ganda po. I am behave at the moment because at the right eye tends to interrupt my talking. Interrupt my talking. The right eye says FUCK on myself. YOU. Married is me to Alex Jr. ko. What else it is? On my panaginip, imagination, the third panaginip, imagination open eye, year 2018. No, year 2017 it is. Myself, the name on that 2017, the name on my memory. Oh, Magic of Merhaida Kisai. Oh, oh my God. The memory is dated to my name on the marriage certificate is Connie Ann Talanya Magnaye. And then on my memory, it is being, the name is putting on the name Maria, Christina, Maria Cristina, ano yun, Esperanza, tapos Rizal, such that. Oh my God, dizziness at the moment. Why? Konian is my name. Konian Talanya Magnaye is the original marriage certificate in there. At the moment, I not want to talk. That is my marriage certificate eh. Connie Antalanya Magnaye is my name in there. That is my truth name. On my memory, it is being put on other names such as Maria Cristina. Then putting Rizal on it. Why? I not know. I am Magnaye. My surname. And then my surname to Alex Jr. ko is Gementisa Jr. and then Quezon the first. The person is looking on my right eye. From my right eye. So it is 11 minutes and 38 seconds. I will stop on talking and I will end my camera video in this minute.